Good morning students. Your next chapter is weather and season. First we have to learn the what you mean by the weather and what you mean by the season. See, weather means what? You have outside, you have a very hot, yes, but evening you'll feel a cold. Early morning also you'll feel a cold. Weather means it changes the day by day and it having the small period is called as the weather. It having the sunny day, sunny will be very short period and evening you feel a very cold. This is called as the weather. Season means it is having the long period and day by day it will not be changed in the season. See, you have the season now, rainy season, winter season and summer season. Yes, like that you have some months you have the some season. It is having the season and weather. Understood now? See, the earth is surrounded by the layer of the air which is called as the atmosphere. It is because of the atmosphere that there is a life on our planet. The atmosphere having the various gases include oxygen which we breathe to stay alive. See, we breathe the intake and outtake. Yes, you observe your breath. Like that you will do. But if you observe means you will listen. If we take you will take oxygen and outer will give the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide will help plants to prepare the food because for the photosynthesis. To protect us from the harmful rays of the sun, and it holds back the heat earth receives from the sun. It keeps the earth climate mild and favorable for life. It is an important part of a water cycle. Weather changes occurs in the lowest layer of atmosphere which is called the troposphere. See, weather. The changes in the atmosphere which occurs in a specific place over a short period. It is having only a short period is the weather of the place. That changes could be temperature, humidity, clouds, sunny or windy, and conditions which could last for some minutes to hours to a few days. Weather affects our day-to-day life. What we wear, eat, or house that we live in are decided by the weather of that locality. We plan our day keeping the weather in mind. Whether is a sunny day, cloudy day, rainy day, windy day or foggy day. See, our house will be a very important to stay in the seasons. See, if you have if you all are having the some protected homes only, but some are having the small homes and small hunt like they having the hunt no, but rainy season they can't live and cold in cold days also they can't stay. In the summer season only they can stay. Bright sunlight with the warmth during the day in a sunny day is a good day for a prince and king. The weather is not too hot but pleasant. A day to wear a light colored clothes and enjoy a cool drinks. Remember that the sunny day doesn't mean that it is a hot day. It could be a cold and the sun might shine brightly in the absence of clouds. It is not a too hot sunny day, but it is the absence of the cloudy sun will be a shine in the strongly. When the sky is overwrapped with a cloud, the day is gloomy and dull as little sunlight reaches the earth. The night is warmed as the heat from the day. Sun is trapped on earth by the clouds. This is a cloudy day. It is advisable to stay indoors and move out with the umbrellas. See, in cloudy day we move out with the umbrella or raincoat. And see, when the dark cloud which are nothing but a mass of the weather vapors become a cool, but due to a drop to temperature and fall as a raindrops, it is a rainy day. Whether a drizzle lightly or pour heavily with the lightning and thunder, rainy day are spent indoors. when people venture out with a raincoat and umbrellas, the weather become cool and people enjoy a hot soups and fried snacks, and it is a day floating a paper boats. You'll play in rainy day, floating papers and rainbows, and looking for rainbows in the sunshine. Winds are formed when a hot air rises and cold air rushes in to take its place. When there are a strong or light winds blowing, it is a windy day, and the wind cloud would be a gentle breeze or a strong storm. And seaside experienced gentle breeze. Mostly storms are wind blowing at high speed and can cause the damages to properly. As the humidity in the atmosphere increases and the temperature of the place decreases, water vapor condenses into a water or ice that suspended near the ground level of the earth to form a fog. Fog is a form of cloud that forms in a lower altitudes. It affects our visibility and creates problems in transportation of the air roads, and even also see this will be happen in the windy day. Yes, understood about days now? Once again you read this paragraph, and now okay, thank you.